So I spotted a bit of moisture here by the pumpkin stem. So I decided we are going to have a premature harvest. Today is going to be the harvest today for the big girl. She is nice and orange anyway, and she is pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to harvest her, and that will be the end of the giant pumpkins for this year. The plant itself looks really good. It's got some mildew on it, but otherwise it looks really good. But this pumpkin is done, and the plant is frankly just drawing nutrients away from my other pumpkins, which are trying to finish. So this will have a lot of positive benefits to it. Again, it is kind of a premature harvest, but that's just how it is. You got to go with the elements back here, not with the internet. There's a big pumpkin. Oh yeah. So there is the pumpkin. It looks good. It's not soft or rotted or anything. This part here will have to face the sun for maybe a week or so to start oranging up. But that will be it. It'll be ready to display for Halloween. Hopefully it lasts that long. This is premature, and it actually grew very fast. I thought it would actually still be growing now, but it actually stopped growing weeks ago, and this is it. So it is what it is. This is a September 4th premature harvest for Halloween, but that's it. I just have to get it out of here and all the way through this over onto that little old wagon there. So I got no way. I can't wheel a wagon up here because I can't run over the vines. So we'll see how I do that here in a minute. So there it is, all harvested without its plant behind it. You can see how much space that plant took up. Started having problems with vine borers, so I just trimmed it back and cut my losses with this one. It's a really nice pumpkin, though. I'm really happy with it. And it is easily the largest pumpkin I've ever grown. This thing makes those giant fairy tale pumpkins and Moroccan warts. It makes those look like minis, and those are huge pumpkins. So it's a nice big pumpkin here. Very happy with it. First time trying to grow a giant. So yeah, lifted it up over all this and got it onto there. Don't ask me how I did it, but I got it. It's heavy. I wouldn't say it's 200 pounds, but it's heavy. And now she's on here, and she's just going to go for her little ride up front, where she's going to sit and hopefully be good until Halloween. Well, there it is, all secured up, and time for the procession. I got to pull it all the way up there and around, because it will not go back that way at all, that's for sure. Yeah, I think we got it here. Just got to get over a couple bad bumps here. There we go. Got another one coming up behind me. Good old uneven pavement of Metro Detroit. There we go. Kaboom, we are here. Yeah, and unfortunately everything around here's got to be netted because these animals and bugs out here just won't leave anything alone. So that's just the price you pay for growing in Metro Detroit here. I was talking a little bit, this is the reason why I harvested here, is because it was soft. It's a little soft here, like there was a vine borer in there or something. So I felt it was time to harvest. Plus it got kind of cold out, and it's going to get rainy too. So all the mildew and those type of problems, the fungus and that will just get worse as long as it sits on the vine. So it's done turning orange. It's as big as it's going to get. It hasn't grown in many weeks, so that's as big and orange as it's going to get, and it will just sit here pretty until Halloween.